Okay, so I'm back up. I had to take a break, then I had to have lunch, then I'm also working on editing another video, so I got into that for a little bit, and now back up and trying to get something done, some active cleaning or organizing, whatever, done. So we're back to it. And by the way, if you're still watching, this is being recorded on my iPhone as usual, but I'm editing on my new iPad. So I don't know if you noticed in if you watch my van life videos, my last van life, I decided to do one more about cleaning up my van. Got to do it on my iPad. So, actually got to do one just before that too, the last part of my van adventure trip before the cleanup. That one I was also able to edit on the new iPad, and so far it's doing well. I like it, and it's working. So let's see. I found an editor that's free, well, you know, the basic version without paying for it. I don't get all the fanciest features, but it's better than I was doing with the iMovie on this phone, which wasn't working too good. It's pretty fast. It's not super slow. I like that. It's easy to work with. So yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. So I have 14 days. I have to make a correction from before when I said I was getting this and I thought I had more time. So I have 14 days for a full refund, return, or exchange, or whatever. I think then after that, it's the warranty, which depends on what's wrong with it. And then I have up to 1 year of that. And then I have to consider buying the Apple Care or whatever. I guess I only have, I can't remember. I have a shorter amount of time to buy the Apple Care plan, but I have a year of basic warranty if anything goes wrong. So I think I can still get it exchanged or repaired. I don't know. So anyway, I'm happy about that. I still don't have all the other equipment because I had to buy the iPad, so I couldn't buy better video equipment, whatever. So videos are still going to be the best I can do with what I have. And I'm me. I've gotten some comments that I talk too much, I guess, on some of my videos, but it is what it is. I'm doing the best I can here. I try to learn how to do what YouTubers on there are telling you to do, but I've tried it. It didn't really seem to make a difference. So I'm just being real, recording what I think might be funny or interesting to somebody or helpful or entertaining in some way. So anyway, let's get on to this room. Yeah, got all this to clean up. Don't want to. Okay. I need to take a break. Because I have to take lots of breaks. Alright, now we're going to work on these drawers. I guess You don't really see what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm taking all the summer shirts and I'm going to put them away. Undershirts in this one. So these will, I picked these up at the thrift store the other day because I needed some smaller ones. And then this one I'll use for something else. I thought, well, I might as well buy the whole set. I don't know. They were only $1.99. So I'm hoping that I could, I mean, I like having the pictures in there, but they stick out a little bit more than I thought. But I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna put this back over here. It's where it used to be. Move. So this one's gonna be for extras. I'm gonna separate my really heavy duty socks from my lighter socks. So this one's gonna go here. I know they stick out, but I thought this shelf was deeper. I saw the measurements and I don't know. I didn't really measure. I just guessed that these would fit in. And again, I was at the thrift store and these are longer than I thought they were, but it is what it is. Yeah. Oh well. Okay, so let's put these things away. And, oh, I guess I should get to sorting my socks. And that's what I said I wanted to do. So I have sleeping socks, and I have little lightweight socks. Actually, I should put this lightweight sock in the little one. Okay. I will be right back. What I want to do is clean this out. My mom gave me some things, and there's also a bin down there for summer things, which then turns into winter things like hats and stuff. And I got this really nice heavy duty shirt from my mom. I'm gonna hang that up. And these are extra sweaters and things, and they live in there, so I guess they just stay there. Oh, I don't know if my body's gonna let me do this today. I'm really glad this container is so well sealed, but it's really hard to get open. Can't get. I'm gonna make a pile of scarves and hats to swap out for the summer stuff to go in here. Scarves, hats, ear muffs. I bought them last year, but it took them so long to deliver them that winter was over by the time I got them. So now we take the summer stuff and put it in the bin. Okay, this bin is full of summer. And now we'll put the winter stuff in here. There, that's reorganized. go. Another bin. This one I had to tape because it did not want to stay shut. So, okay, sweaters. Gotta bring out the sweaters. Okay, and there's one more bin that I have to get. I think there's two. It's on that side. The other bin is over here. I'm gonna move this out of the way right now. So I found the other bin. More winter. More duct taped winter clothes. Yes, so my big jacket, which I'll probably need. Okay, I'm gonna fill this bin up with the summer stuff. Okay, back under the bed over here. There's one more bin, and I know I'm pushing it, but I just want to get it done. Oh. I have great news. That's not the bin I thought it was. That's my extra blanket. But I have laundry, which I'm not going to do right now. Well, actually, it has to go in the dryer. Anyway, I am going to go take a nice long break. In fact, I might just throw those hangers off the bed tonight and do the rest tomorrow.